This is the biggest delivery I've had in a single day. Yes, since I started this channel, I've been getting bits here, there, left, right and centre, but never this amount in a single day. The only exception is probably this one here, being the biggest box. This is actually my order that I actually ordered, and it's my computer parts. It's my computer parts that actually broke and they went back for repair and then they come back again. So that is the only thing I've actually bought. The rest of it, you know, might seem not too many for you. The rest of it is that stuff that's been delivered for me to do reviews on. And some of it actually has more than one product inside, like this little baby here. There's at least 2 products in there. And I will be doing an unboxing on all of them, but this video is a big thank you to all my viewers and all my subscribers. Thank you very much. Without you, I wouldn't get anything like this turning up at my doorstep. So thank you very much for subscribing. Don't forget, if you like my channel, please put the word out for me. It does help the channel to grow, and it allows me to get more and more content like we got here, and allows me to spend more money, even if I don't get no content, on making content. So big thank you everyone that watches my channel and everyone that subscribes. Thank you very much. Nice one.